Hey guys, it's me Amelia. In today's video I'm going to an Indian wedding. Today my aunt's going to get married and I'm going to take you guys through me basically just getting ready and prepare for this wedding. Oh, as you guys can see, I am actually wearing this beautiful mehndi, on both of my hands. Anyways, I need to go have a shower and get ready because it starts at 4 and I think it's minutes to 2 right now. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, now that I've had a shower, I'm going to do my usual skincare routine. In the shower I used this cleanser on my face, which is what I normally use. Now I'm just going to use a bit of my Clearasil toner on my face. So now I'm going to use one of my mattifying moisturisers. These are my choices.
This is not mattifying.
So it's either my Revolution one or my La Roche-Posay one. I've said that really wrong, sorry. I think I'll use this one. It's also there, so guys. Okay.
Looks like I dropped this.
We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. So, just squirt it out on me.
2,000 years later.
It's okay guys. Okay guys, now that I've moisturised all of my face, I'm just gonna go and moisturise the rest of my body and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, now that I've moisturised everywhere, I'm gonna put in some makeup. Oh, and guys, I forgot to mention I'm actually wearing a lehenga, which is an Indian outfit. So I thought I'd do my makeup first and then put it on, if that makes sense. So anyways, I'm just gonna do my normal makeup routine. I'm gonna put on my Estee Lauder powder first. This is what it looks like, guys. Okay, now that I've put my powder on and hopefully blended it in properly, I'm going to just do my eyebrows. I'm going to use this is the eyebrow pencil I'm using. So I'll just brush them into place and I'll fill them in just a little bit. Okay guys, I filled in my eyebrows and given myself a tail. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, I've curled my eyelashes. Now my favourite part, which is mascara.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I'm listening.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, I did my mascara. I accidentally messed up on this side,
But I fixed it.
and there's no more stress. My eyelashes look great. Now I'm just going to quickly do my lips, and then the next time you guys will see me will be when I'm in my lehenga. Oh my goodness guys, I'm in my lehenga now. Wait, you guys can't see it here, but I'll show you. Guys, I'm really sorry the lighting isn't as great in my room, but I'm going to try and show you the outfit. Okay, so this is my lehenga. I'll try and show you in my full length mirror because I think it might be a bit better here. Guys, I'm so sorry how bad the lighting is in my room, but my outfit in my full length mirror, the skirt and then the top, I really love it. What do you guys think? I love it. Oh, and then I'll show you this. I also have my scarf to go with it, but I'll put that on once I'm fully dressed. Okay guys, now I'm in my lehenga and I've done my hair. I'm now going to put on some makeup. Not makeup, oh my god. I'm going to put on some jewellery and I'll show you. Okay guys, so I put on jewellery. Unfortunately the earrings that came in the set I couldn't wear because the earrings for some reason were really way too big. So I'm wearing the necklace, I'm wearing some earrings I borrowed from my mum, thank you mum. Then I'm also wearing this bracelet here. I'll try and show you guys, so I'm wearing this bangle, which is a birthday present from my great aunt, so thank you. Now I need to go downstairs guys. Oh, and also I put on shoes, everything, yeah. So guys, unfortunately I completely forgot to film at the wedding. However, I did take a couple of photos with some of my family members, so I thought I'd show you guys those. To start off, here's a photo of me and my mum, then me and my cousins, again my cousins, but this time on my lap is my little brother Roman, which I know you guys haven't seen in like a million years. Again, me and my mum. Oh, and guys, on the left hand side of this photo is actually my aunt who gave me my bangle as a birthday present. Once again, thank you so much. Anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!